Stephen Hawking spent 55 years in a wheelchair. He was unable to eat or communicate. He used a computer to communicate. Despite being diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, at a young age, which left him almost completely paralyzed, he continued to make groundbreaking contributions to physics. Though he is not between us today, but his theories and predictions were mostly accurate. Prior to his death, he made dire prophecies about Earth's demise, implying that if true, our world could become extinct within 200 years. At the age of 21, Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with a rare and dangerous illness that typically affects people over 50. Doctors told Stephen Hawking he had only 2 years to live, but he proved physicians wrong and lived 55 years with that disease. He did not allow his illness get the best of him. Rather, he decided to make his situation his strength. Due to his illness, he was fed via a tube and breathed through another. A customized computer was hooked to his wheelchair, and he utilized a little muscle in his jaw to type on it. He communicates his feelings to others through this computer. His theories that were eventually proven to be correct included black holes. On one hand, his hypotheses astounded academics and experts, while on other, Stephen Hawking's projections have caused worry and fear among people. Stephen Hawking made these horrible forecasts, which included how and when our planet and its inhabitants will be annihilated. Before knowing about his predictions, we would like to welcome you to Infomish. Subscribe our channel for more informative and amazing videos. Let's find out what these 6 predictions were. Number 1, according to Stephen Hawking, humans pose the greatest threat to themselves, surpassing even aliens. In 2016, he stated that vaccinations for numerous viruses are often genetically engineered. This means they are created by genetically modifying the virus's DNA, so that the virus does not infect humans. According to Stephen Hawking, immunizations provide temporary protection against viruses. However, long-term DNA alterations may lead to human extinction. Pharmacists are now developing a single vaccine to combat multiple dangerous pathogens. One example is the Rotatech vaccination, which prevents rotavirus infection in newborns. This vaccination was created by modifying the DNA of cow and humans. While this vaccination protects children from rotavirus, its potential side effects are yet to be seen. Number 2. Stephen Hawking conducted extensive research on the universe and determined that life exists beyond Earth, and one day aliens will capture our world. Scientific theory suggests that the Big Bang formed our cosmos. Hawking's theory differed from others, positing that numerous Big Bangs occurred, each resulting in a unique universe. That indicates that Stephen Hawking believed in a parallel universe. Although there is no indication of another universe, Stephen Hawking believes that aliens would visit Earth to study us and eventually capture it. Number 3. Stephen Hawking submitted his final scientific report, proving his idea of multiple worlds 2 weeks before his death in 2018, which was titled A Smooth Exit from Eternal Inflation. Hawking proposed that our universe, despite being generated by a Big Bang, is continuously growing and will eventually run out of energy. Eventually, all stars will perish, leaving the universe in endless darkness. He believed that this was the time when our universe will end. Hawking advocated for mankind to find and establish on a planet in a parallel reality to protect their own species. Number 4. Despite his need for a robotic wheelchair, Stephen Hawking was strongly opposed to robots, although robots are meant to make our jobs easier. However, they are making progress on a daily basis. Currently, AI-powered robots can perform tasks that humans cannot. Stephen Hawking predicted that in the future, robots would be capable of self-replication. Humans have limited intelligence as they can only perceive one direction or perform one task at a time. Robots can achieve levels of intelligence beyond human capabilities. An example of such a robot is found in Israel's Iron Dome. This is an extremely clever air defense system. This Iron Dome can shoot down scores of incoming missiles at once in the sky. In just 1 millisecond, the robot within detects and destroys missiles aimed toward populous areas. Stephen Hawking predicted that robots could become powerful enough to govern humans, and they will ultimately succeed. Number 5. Humans have a natural tendency towards violence, which continues to persist. The latest conflict between Russia and Ukraine exemplifies this. Humans have devised weapons capable of annihilating entire populations. These are also known as weapons of mass devastation. During World War II, America unleashed 2 atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Even now, the ramifications are clear over there. Stephen Hawking warned that if humans do not learn to live together, they will eventually fight and initiate a nuclear war, resulting in the end of the world. Number 6. Global warming is one of Stephen Hawking's most awful forecasts. Stephen Hawking predicted that even if humanity survives every tragedy, the planet will become uninhabitable within 600 years. At that time, there will be no forest, dry seas, and no human presence. The primary cause is population growth, followed by excessive usage of fossil fuels. Hawking believed that in 600 years, Earth's condition would be similar to that of Venus. The Earth's average temperature will reach 250 degrees C, with sulfuric acid precipitation instead of water, and winds reaching 360 km/h. This heat is the same as that required to cook food in an oven. Viewers, as Stephen Hawking extended Doctor's 2 years deadline to 55 years, similarly we can extend the life of our planet Earth by just planting 1 tree. Nothing is impossible with determination. Hope you had liked our video. We will see you in another wonderful video. Stay tuned to Infomish.